In this video I'm going to show you how to search on the web page on your Safari browser. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. And first open up your Safari browser, and once you open it up, let's open up some web page. I will select apple.com. And now I want to find some text on that web page. To do that, I need to tap here on that share icon and there scroll down for a bit and here select find on page. Tap on that. And now I can search here any keyword like Apple. Now I see that there are 21 results here and I can switch between them in such way. Just tap on arrow up or arrow down to see the next and the previous results like that. I hope it helps you, so before you go, please like and subscribe.